Okay, so customer complaint is the fridge is not getting cold enough. Huh. I wonder why. Huh. I wonder why. Oh. Oh, that's good. Nice, I can see right in the refrigerator. Having the door open. And this thing's actually 36 degrees. They're complaining about it. So. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. And you guys got a quick fix for that? Doesn't even look like it had the metal tab supposed to be across the middle. Doesn't even have screws or nothing like. Anyways, Mickey Mouse. Oh man. Mickey Mouse. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see right into the fridge. Nice. No gasket. Oh yeah. Fun. Okay, thanks for watching. Any of you guys got any quick fixes, let me know. Click like and subscribe. Thanks.